Quickly! Bolster! Leave none standing. If we fail here, Azeroth burns.
Yes! Let them come. Their bodies will fuel the flames of their burning world.
Fall back!
Intruders! Killing you will regain my master's faith. Come! Face your double agony to come. Admit that I am right. Break the body and the spirit you're suffering.
I sealed each level.
It's the pain of failing the master.
This hammer forged ancient wonders and shaped the earth itself. Today, it shatters the bonds of fate that seek to crush us all.
Sooner than expected, but no matter. Our work begins.
I can sense one of the Legion's masters working to reanimate the avatar of Sargeras. Should kill Jaden and fuse that husk with the dark...
You understood my use of the Naga to obtain the Eye of Sargeras. But it was a necessary tactic to secure the future of Azeroth. Let nothing stop you from doing what needs to be done.
These fools! Bring the Tide Stone to us! Hard to tan! Pummel their bones!
Time to smash! Time to smash! Veil! Pretty! Green!
From this stone flowed rivers and seas, the very lifeblood of Azeroth. Today, it washes clean the darkness that scars our world.
An age has passed since I last walked these halls. I did what needed to be done, though at great cost. Be on your guard. I doubt the spirits trapped here will be friendly or forgiving.
I claim first blood, sisters. goddess
No more dawdling, Hesperian.
I will dismiss these heretics, Ythay. We fail. The goddess.
No! I should have won! Elune, forgive us.
These tears of perfect beauty embody the dream of what our world could be. Today, they purify your hearts for the battle to come. The pillars of creation are in place. Return to the cathedral, and I will reveal the ancient secret this temple holds.
We will put a stop to kill Jaden's plan, Egwene. This time, we will not fail.
Bold words, Catgirl. But victory requires more than courage alone. The armies of your alliance and horde had courage before facing...
What lies below is not for my vigil ends. Let not the Dark One...
Kill Jaden hounded my people across the stars, but we are done running. He will pay for his atrocities against our world and my son.
Damnable mortals! You scurry through this tomb like vermin, dispatching my underlings and imagining yourselves the equals of the Legion. Heroes, champions, fools. The husk before you was once a vessel for the might of Sargeras. But this temple itself is our prize. The means by which we will reduce your world to cinders. Still, I will not deprive you of this chance to fall before an ancient wonder. Let this avatar be the end of you. Still you fight us. Still you deny the inevitable. Your incessant resistance is maddening.
Have your countless defeats taught you nothing, deceiver?
It is a simple matter to show courage against right. Still you resist? Then let me repay your arrogance.
I have many, many wares.